You're back. And you're back.
Hi.
Hey! Oh my goodness! Where are
I,
you?
I actually had to. I'm at a mall. I had to step out to buy some makeup, and I couldn't buy that online. So I
Oh
had to
my
get
goodness.
out. And I
Oh
thought I'd be
gosh.
done by now, but then there's lots of traffic, so I thought I'll just do it from here.
Oh my God, you're so sweet, Yash. This is actually getting odd and odd and odder because
Yeah,
I
I
just had
mean,
this.
what are the odds?
What are the odds? I just had a session with Karan and it just kept the connection. We kept losing the connection and he kept coming in and out and it was and now this we have Yash, we can't see her. Oh
But
my
you can
goodness.
like, my internet's fine, right?
Yeah, it's fine. Where are
Okay,
you?
good.
Which mall?
I can't tell. What are my fans just like? Oh my god! Like
Mob
mob
you.
me.
They mob you.
They mob me. I'm at In Orbit, Malad.
Oh my
Actually, I can
goodness.
probably take it off for a bit so that I can just say hi to everyone. Hi.
That is a good idea.
Hi.
Yeah.
Sorry. I'm actually live on Instagram. No, no, but we can say hi.
Hey guys. Wow, this is incredible. I love this.
Thanks, thanks.
So congratulations today. Odds went live worldwide on iTunes and Google Play. So,
Yeah. People can watch it from other sources.
yes, yes, absolutely. Oh
If
my
you
God, are
don't
you
have a Netflix
comfortable?
subscription, I'm very
Yeah.
comfortable.
Okay. Okay.
To
So,
everyone out there, if you don't have a Netflix subscription, you can watch our film, A Beautiful Little What Are the Odds, on iTunes or on Google Play.
thank you. Thank you. Oh, there's another Yashaswini. She's saying hi. I'm also Yashaswini. So,
Yay!
okay. We have a lot of people joined us. So, Yash, Vivek. So,
Yes.
as weird as it gets, it's the film. So, I'm sure, Megha would have said, bring it on. Let's just make it as weird as we can, right?
Yeah.
So, when you heard the script, what was the first thing that came to your mind? Brace yourself, Megha. This is round two because I asked Karan the same question. So,
She knows I wanted to pounce on it right from the beginning.
yeah,
I was so happy because we don't get a lot of opportunities to watch stories about young people
yeah,
who
coming of
are a proper
age.
reflection of the kind of childhoods that we've probably lived. It's always
Absolutely.
really glamorized whatever content
Yeah,
we've been uh,
yeah,
just
yeah,
absorbing. So this was like a
yeah.
full fresh breath of fresh air. My glasses are fogging up. So, which is why I was
Okay.
super excited. I was actually scared that if I don't do it, what if somebody else does, and then I'll feel
Oh,
guilty and I'll regret it for the rest of my life.
wow. Wow, that's so wonderful.
Okay.
You made for that. You made for Vivek. Vivek was
Thank
made for
you.
you. Vice versa. Wonderful. So which was the oddest character that you found in the film?
Um, I think Rinku was
Rimpu.
the oddest.
Rimpu.
Rimpu. Oh
Rimpu.
shit! What have I done? Mega, please
Manu.
don't. Please forgive me. But yeah, Rimpu was so much odder when we shot it, and then he became a little less odd once the film came out. The inspiration was that Rimpu is obsessed with wanting to become furniture. And he wanted to become the carpet and the fan, and it was just so hilarious to watch Manu sir do all of that.
I was telling Karan that I know Manu personally because our kids were together in play school, and he said मुझे याद नहीं है मतलब मैंने किया क्या है फिल्म में like I really don't know what have I done. I said whatever you have done, you are hilarious in the film. The way he is, and Karan
He
also
is.
said the same thing. Rimpu is the
Yeah.
weirdest of them all.
Rimpu.
So
But also Paloma, because like that
yeah,
entire experiment that she does, I don't think anybody gets it apart from her. We have no idea
absolutely.
what's happening in that studio.
You guys just wanted to bunk, and that's so many
Yeah,
encounters and that unlikely friendship that you kind of
yeah.
develop with Ashwin. Great. So I know you're just around people, and it's kind of it'll be a little intimidating to carry on an interview, or is you're okay?
No, no, I
I'm
can do it.
I'm like wondering. Okay, okay, great,
I'm very
okay,
comfortable. As long as you can
okay.
still hear me,
I
I'm
can
good for this.
perfectly, perfectly.
I
So
don't care.
So what are the odd friendships that you have had in your life or still having and or your hobbies or something that is really odd?
Um, I always like I was I won't say like I was super eccentric growing up, but I was never part of like the mainstream crowd, like the social
Right.
hierarchy,
Right.
even in school. I was in
Yeah.
the student council. I was an acha bacha, but I was never part of the big popular kids because I was a weird kid. I had a weird sense of humor that in my head was really genius, but my body never successfully performed it very well. So, like, I always failed with that. And then growing up, I like after college and everything, most of my friends, like my closest friends, are at least like 5 years and older than me. And because like all my brothers, like we're a very
Mm.
close group of cousins and all of
Mm.
their friends. So we're like a group of like 40 people, where the age
Wow.
group ranges from like 21 to 40.
Wow.
So
What
so
fun.
I guess those are my like odd friendships. And then even on set, the fact that Karan and I like spent so much time together, we were constantly together. So we had a whole range of emotions, like a full journey
Emotions.
arc
Yeah.
where we
Yeah.
were
Yeah.
awkward, then we were like, okay, we can
Yeah.
be friends. Then we hated each other because we were just sick of each other. Then we found a balance in like figuring it out, being each other's strengths.
Yeah.
So that
Yeah.
was nice.
So as you know, the more I'm listening to you, I think you were just perfect for this role of Vivek. Perfect,
Vivek,
absolutely.
yeah.
Nobody could have been better than you, really. So
Yeah.
I just recently watched your reel on the dance that you did Beyonce's. Oh my God, I fell in love. I'm watching it on repeat. I swear, I'm just watching it on repeat. I'm trying to like, can I do this? What song is this? I should do it. So I feel so old, but then you did it so well. Keep putting more of that stuff.
Yeah,
We
thank
want to
you.
see more of that stuff coming. And yes, I am going to make, Yash is going to sing for us, but after some time, Parida is asking you to sing the Swadesh song. So
Okay.
yes, we will get to that. You always wanted to become an actor as a child. What was your dream?
As a child, I was always sure that I wanted to do something that would keep the attention on me, like attention seeking career perspectives was how I would describe. Because growing up, I thought I'd be like a performer,
Yeah.
singer, songwriter person who would like be like
Wow.
Beyonce on stage, and but
Performer.
I never trained enough like vocally to do that.
Right.
And then when after graduation, I did set out to pursue music professionally. But before I
Yeah.
could do that successfully, I ended up becoming an actor. I ended up shooting a couple of commercials,
Yeah.
and then
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
got my two first films.
Yeah.
So I stumbled upon it, and I realized that
Yeah.
this is actually better because
Yeah.
like I'm going to be constantly in and around people's faces.
Yeah.
So
You're gonna
that's
keep
what I want to
perform.
be. Yeah.
Nice. Nice. That is so wonderful. So you're going to be celebrating your birthday on Monday. How are you going to be doing that? I mean, obviously it's going to be a virtual one, an online one.
I have no clue. I probably just like my brother might come home for lunch, so like we'll have a
Okay.
quiet lunch, and
Okay.
then I might head to his house and just like chill with him, like watch
Okay.
some movies. No
Okay.
clue. I was actually thinking that maybe I should just like run away, get an Airbnb somewhere, and just like chill by a pool. But
A lot of people are doing that. Yeah.
yeah, but my
Yeah.
parents will hate me if I do that because they need to be with me.
Yeah. Yeah. I know. For your birthday, at least, because as it is, things are like so,
Yeah.
crazy out there. So, what have you been watching these past few months, Yash?
I
Anything
have
that,
been
yeah.
watching a lot of like people tend to watch a lot of like content, like heavy content, like oh my god, such filmmaking, such cinematography, what cinema. I've been going the opposite way. I've been watching all the mainstream things that I missed out in life. I'm
Okay.
revisiting my obsession for Hrithik Roshan and watching all of the films that he's done. I'm watching. I watched Jane the Virgin, which is such an amazing show, and
Um,
we need more fun, light stories
yeah.
like that, where it's just about
Yeah.
just like sitcom. Everybody's making such intense drama. Nobody's just being light and fun, which is why I
Yeah.
love doing What Are the Odds,
Yeah.
because like there's so much like serious topics, and which is great. We need to talk about those things, but we
Yeah.
also need to remember to enjoy life a little and spread
Yeah.
some joy. So
Absolutely.
I've been
So well
watching
said.
that.
That's
Thank
so
you.
great. And what has been your like fan moment?
My fan moment. Uh, Early this year, I don't know when Super 30 came out. So my friend was also in the film. and I went for the premiere. And I saw Hrithik Roshan walk past me, but like he was surrounded by his like security and
Right,
everything, so I could
right.
only see like it
Little
Tusa
bit.
eye, but I knew that was him. And then later they had this huge cutout of the entire cast, and like there was a seat next to Hrithik that you could
Huh.
sit and like take pictures. So I
Huh.
took a story and I posted it, and he replied, like he reposted that story and said,
Your
"Ha, love."
eyes are like just gonna pop out.
Yeah, and I went crazy because Hrithik Roshan mentioned.
Wow.
I got a notification. Hrithik Roshan mentioned you in their story. And I was
Yay!
like,
Did you save
what
it?
is
Did you take a
happening? Yeah, yeah, yeah.
screenshot?
It's on my highlight on my feed.
Oh,
It's
gotta be
called
watching
Hrithik
it.
Obsession. So that's my biggest fan moment.
What fun. And what about your fans? Like, what is it that, the somebody coming up to you, or, like, what has been that like, now that people
Um,
are like,
it's been a while since like that happened. I've sort of forgotten what it's like to be out there and meeting fans.
there's somebody
But
just, yeah, they just
yeah,
recognized
but
you, right?
like it's my first time out. Like I'm in a mall and some
Yeah,
like even though I'm covered half of my
yeah,
face, like she's like, "Hey,
yeah,
hi, no, you continue." They're very sweet. Most of them are so
yeah.
sweet. Like
What about
this
your
one time,
friends? Yeah, yeah, no, share, continue. This one
no,
time?
so this one time I was this is a while back. I was shopping and I knew
Yeah.
in my periphery that somebody's recognized me. She was this like teenager, and then I just heard her gasp out loud, and then she
Like
like
that.
approached me with her hands shaking, and she's like, "Oh my god, I love you."
How
And
sweet.
it's just so weird and amazing to
Yeah.
like this tiny person having an impact on another human person. It's such a
It's very rewarding. I
surreal.
think it's,
Yeah,
yeah, really. It kind of, gives it like this whole redemption to exactly what you're doing, and what you want to
yeah,
achieve is to do this only, to kind of
yeah.
reach out, and of course the attention part is also there, which is great. So
Yeah.
great. So, I play these little games with Ashwin, and so I thought I'll play something else with you, and have this little game with him. But I feel because now you're getting back into Bollywood, and you're kind of knowing more about the Hindi film Masala, so I should play that game which I played with Karan also with you. So you
Done.
didn't you didn't have you
I
didn't happen
came.
to watch
I
it, no? Okay.
no, no, no. I came on when you asked him what is Ajib, and I was like,
Ah!
"Arey, odd."
You'll get it. You'll get that. Okay. So before that,
Yeah,
I asked him three. So I'll start with that. So what really
yeah.
I asked him to do was, I'm
I'm
gonna
gonna be
be,
a bad girl and pull down my mask for a bit so that people can see my face for a little while.
yeah. I think they've been waiting to see your face.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm a big fan. Happy birthday, Yash ma'am, in advance. A lot of
Thank you,
lovely
thank you,
comments.
thank you,
How's you? Love your notorious kind of attitude in every character you play.
thank you,
Wonderful. How sweet, guys. Yes, absolutely. Yash is a lovely, lovely, lovely person.
thank
So,
you.
so the
Yeah,
game, Yash, is, so I'm going to be, so I've translated Hindi film titles into English. You need to
let's
guess
do this.
the exact Hindi name, for the
Done.
title. So the
Yeah.
first is, this bed sheet is dirty.
This bed sheet is dirty.
Break it up.
बेड शीट तो ये
Bed sheet
बेड
क्या
शीट
है?
तो चादर होती है ना, चादर।
Correct.
ये
एक
चादर गंदी है,
गंदी का एक और वर्ड.
खराब,
Dirty.
गंदी,
Okay.
मैली।
Yes. So have you heard this film?
This is
Karan is like,
this
I've
is
not even
easy.
heard this name of this film. So it's called Ek
What is
Chadar Maili Si. It's supposed to be like this film
what
of
is
those.
this?
Yeah, it is a movie. It's like widow remarriage.
Oh God!
Rishi
They're calling
Kapoor.
a widow chadar and Melly.
You have to see
What
the
is the
film. It's
symbolism in this film?
Ek Chadar Maili Si. That's the name of the film.
Wow. Okay,
So
done.
I think this was a little difficult one, and everybody was like, "What the hell?" In the comments, everybody was like, "What is this? It's so weird." I said, "So it is weird. We are weird.
Yeah,
All of us have a certain
yeah.
bit of weirdness in us."
There's
Okay.
a spectrum to everything.
Now this one you will get. I think you will
Okay.
get this. It says,
Okay.
"Please tell me you love me." You have to get this, Yash.
Come on यार, come on, कहो ना प्यारे, come on. ये
Nice.
तो मतलब,
Awesome. Great. Moving on. I'm
yeah.
the player and you are the loser.
मैं खिलाड़ी तू अनाड़ी.
Anadi.
Oh,
Correct. Bingo.
oh.
Last one. I think you'll get this. ये सब
हाँ.
कितना अजीब है.
ये सब कितना अजीब. Oh, what are you?
So you win by
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
one answer. Okay, moving on. Now, the game that I thought for you was that you complete the sentences into film titles. Anything. It could be crazy. It could be anything. And this is just a game. It's not a scorecard. So the scorecard was for the previous one, which you have won. Karan, Yash has won.
Boo, Karan, boo.
Oh my God, we all are Librans. I just realized. You, me, Karan. We all are
That's true.
this Libran gang. Okay, so the first one is complete the sentence into a film title is Ye computer screen.
Wait, what am I supposed to do? I'm supposed to complete it with a film title.
Yeah, anything. Like it's your title. It's nothing to do with that's something that's already there. Like just complete it into a weird film title. Ye computer screen.
दे कभी खुशी कभी गम.
Wow. क्या बात है.
I'm gonna make this tougher for myself and only use Hrithik Roshan titles. Let's see if it works.
Awesome.
Let's try that.
एक लड़के की नाक.
एक लड़के की नाक.
Is this going to
Oh
be tough?
no.
for me?
Yeah, एक लड़के की नाक. Bang bang.
Ah!
I'm imagining like
Okay.
snot coming out.
Nice. Even the snot coming out of Hrithik Roshan's nose is also cool. I'm sure.
Like I wouldn't mind. He
Yuck.
can snot over me all my life.
Okay. Knock knock.
मुझसे दोस्ती करोगे?
क्या बात है.
I'm too good at this.
I really hope Hrithik Roshan
People
is
think
watching
I'm
this.
definitely crazy. People think I've lost it.
No, they're hot like sizzling emoticons for you.
Guys, only for you guys. I love you.
Okay. The red dress. The red dress.
The red dress. The red dress. मेरे काबिल है.
Oh.
Like काबिल.
Use
Does it make
correct.
sense? Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay, the last one.
Yeah.
कहो ना तुम.
कहो ना तुम मोहनजोदारो चलोगे?
Yash, I'm blown.
Steaks.
I'm actually blown by these answers. Oh my God. Okay. So somebody really loves you. I mean, everybody loves you, but this one is Sujal Verma. Okay, there are a lot of people. Okay. So finally, Yash, I'm gonna let you go. And,
Okay.
but you need to sing something, please. And I think the request that had come was Swadesh song. Although I love Not a Love Song, I love that when you sang that. I have it in my
Thank
Spotify,
you,
the
thank
acoustic
you.
version. But sing,
Thank
okay,
you.
sing anything. The request was
Okay.
for the Swadesh song, but
I sing that only, but like a super fast version of it.
take,
So
yeah.
यूं ही चला चल रही, यूं ही चला चल रही, कितनी हसीन है ये दुनिया, भूल सारे झमेले, देख फूलों के मेले, बड़ी रंगीन है ये दुनिया, ये रास्ता है कह रहा अब मुझसे, मिलने को है कोई कहीं अब तुझसे, रुम दुम तान रक तुम तान रुम दुम तान रक तुम तान रुम दुम तान रक तुम तान रवैया.
Awesome. Oh my God, you were amazing, Yash. I had so much fun.
Thank you, thank you,
Chatting
thank
also
you.
with
That was fun.
just, yeah, remove your mask for a
Thank you.
minute. Anyways, thank you
Somebody
so
say
much.
मास्क पहन के पूल नहीं लगेगी भैया. It's safety. Safety school.
Yeah.
It's okay.
So sweet. Everybody is just craziest fan. Please notice me, but I love you, Sonia.
How
Oh my
sweet you
God.
are.
Amazing, amazing. Very sweet.
I'll,
Great.
I'll do a live
Yeah.
again on my birthday so that I
Yes.
can meet everyone.
Yeah, you should do that. That'll be great. Great,
Yeah.
Yash. Take care of
Thank you so
yourself.
much, Ramita, for
Thank you so
having
much.
me.
I had a blast. And you were
Same.
amazing.
Thanks for making me do
Take care.
something very, very odd. I went live on Instagram from a mall during a pandemic.
Oh my God, I got to
Big
put that in
check.
the title description.
Yeah.
Yes. Just the day when we went live worldwide.
Yeah.
Amazing. Great, Yash. Take care of yourself. Wish you on Monday.
Thank
And till
you.
then, stay safe. Take
Thank
care.
you.
Bye.
Bye. Love you guys. Bye.
Bye. Bye.